Welcome class 12th. Today we are going to deal with expenditure method and its numericals. The first example, from the following data calculate GDP at both market price and factor cost. Here the items are given and with its the amount is given in rupees crore. Now to calculate GDP at market price we have to know the formula. So what is the formula to calculate GDP at market price? The formula is private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. Now over here let us see, do we have private consumption expenditure or not? Yes, the sixth point, we do have the amount for private consumption expenditure. It is rupees 350 crore. So over here I have written rupees 350 crore. Next is government final consumption expenditure. So over here the direct term is not given, but instead it is given government purchases of goods and services, that is 100 crore. So over here with rupees 350 I have added rupees 100. Next is gross domestic capital formation. Here the investment takes place. So over here we have to look for the word investment. It is given in the first point. Gross investment, that is the total investment, it is rupees 90 crores. So here we have it, rupees 90 crores. The next we have to add is net exports. Over here either it will be given the import and export and you have to subtract and find out, or directly the net export will be given. So where the net exports is rupees 10 crore. So add all the four amounts, rupees 350 plus rupees 100 will give you rupees 450 crore. 90 and 10 will give you 100. So 450 plus 100 will give you rupees 550 crore. Now next we have to calculate the GDP at factor cost. So the formula for GDP at factor cost is GDP-MP minus NIT. GDP at market price we have found out. NIT is what? Net indirect taxes. So over here the net indirect taxes will be mentioned. See the third point, children. Net indirect taxes is rupees 5 crore. So you have to subtract from it. That means from factor cost to market price to factor cost, we have to subtract net indirect taxes. We know GDP-MP is rupees 550 crore and NIT is rupees 5 crore. So rupees 550 crore minus 5 crore will give you rupees 545 crore. So this completes example number 1. Next we move on to example number 2. We have to find the net domestic product at factor cost from the following data. We know the gross domestic fixed investment is given in rupees 10,000 crore. Inventory investment is given as 5,000 crore. Depreciation is given as 2,000 crore. Indirect taxes is given as 1,000 crore. Subsidies is given as 2,000 crore. Consumption expenditure is given as 20,000 crore. And residential construction investment is given as 6,000 crore. Now let us see how can we find out the NDP-FC. For that we need GDP-FC minus depreciation. That means the gross domestic product at factor cost minus the depreciation, and this formula is given in page number 59. Now how do we find out GDP-FC? We will find out with the help of gross domestic product at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Whenever we find gross domestic product at factor cost, we take the market price minus the indirect taxes and add the subsidies. So over here, instead of writing GDP-FC, the new formula will be NDP-FC equals to GDP-MP minus indirect taxes plus subsidies, and what else we have to subtract? The depreciation. So let us see how we are going to solve the example. Now the formula to calculate is GDP-MP is gross domestic fixed investment as given in the question plus the inventory investment and the consumption expenditure. Now over here we need two types of consumption expenditure, isn't it? Private final consumption expenditure and government final consumption expenditure. So over here it is not given differently, it is just given as consumption expenditure. That means it has combined the two of it and given in totality the consumption expenditure. So over here the gross domestic fixed investment gross domestic fixed investment and inventory investment comes under gross domestic capital formation. So over here, instead of giving gross domestic capital formation, they have given these two terms separately and the consumption expenditure. So over here, the gross domestic fixed investment is given as rupees 10,000 crore plus the inventory investment is given as rupees 5,000 crore plus the consumption expenditure is given as rupees 20,000 crore. So over here, it will be 10,000 plus 20,000, 30,000 plus 5, 35,000 crore. So your total amount is rupees 35,000 crore. That means GDP MP is given as rupees 35,000 crore. Now so our NDPFC will be GDP MP minus indirect taxes. So over here GDP MP we calculated as rupees 35,000 crore minus indirect taxes. So over here indirect taxes is given as rupees 1,000 crore. So over here I will mention rupees minus rupees 1,000 crore. Then it will be plus subsidies. So subsidies is rupees 2,000 crore. Then we have to subtract the depreciation. So depreciation is given as 2,000 rupees, 2,000 crore. So let us calculate over here. Rupees 35,000 plus rupees 2,000 will give us rupees 37,000. So this is rupees 37,000 crore minus 1,000 and minus 2,000 will give us minus rupees 3,000 crore, isn't it? And rupees 37,000 crore minus rupees 3,000 crore will give you rupees 34,000 crore. So here we calculated NDP FC at factor cost.